Everyone, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude here with another figure unboxing. Today we'll be taking a look at these little dinosaur balls. So they're Fossil Friends Series 2, and I got a few of the Series 1 from Toys R Us. So the Series 1 had like a little sauropod and a pterosaur, I think, and a spinosaurus, and this one seems to have a little brachiosaurus maybe, and an ankylosaurus, and a little tyrannosaurus, and I think that's a Pteranodon. So we're gonna see. These are really cute. They're like little squishy toys, and how do we open them? I think there's a little tab somewhere right here. No? Maybe. Oh, we'll just use scissors. Where did I put those? So let's get these open. Where's the little place? Right there. Let's cut that. And there's quite an assortment of them. They come in different colors too. The different species and then different colors. And I think they're like $1, maybe even $2. I'm not sure if they're found anywhere else, but definitely at Toys R Us. So first we've got, oh, whoa, okay. It kind of looks like a little banana. I'm assuming this is the Tyrannosaurus Rex. He's got a very wide smile. Chonky boy, very large. No, wait, he's got a few fingers. Maybe this is like an Allosaurus? Okay, so I wasn't expecting it to be this fat. But yeah, they're pretty cute. Weird. I just wasn't expecting it to look like that, because like as you can see on the ball, it has more of a head region. Look at those eyes. Oh geez. Okay. We're gonna see what else is in here. So we've got these little sauropods. These were the dimetrodons, or maybe spinos. Here are the tyrannosaurs, I guess. Here's the pteranodons, very round. No, these were the spinosaurs, yeah. So, oh, they got names. Spinosaurus, Pteranodon. That's a velociraptor. This is a nodosaurus, apparently. And these guys are Brontosaurus. Okay, I got it. Let's see what's in the next one. I wonder if it's gonna be even more cursed. So let's get this open. Yeah, so now I'm kind of scared. Like that, that completely caught me off guard. Very cursed. And we've got the sauropod. Oh my goodness. What is happening here? Yeah, there's not really a neck there. It's very flat. Look at that. Wow. Okay, so this is the sauropod, the Brontosaurus. Look at those little legs too. Kind of mad looking. It's got one eye's larger than the other. This little bit of plastic sticking out the back of the head, like a little tumor or little growth or something. Yeah, they're still cute. They're still cute. Just a little deformed. Okay, so we've got two now. Oh my god. Oh geez, this is okay, on to the next one. Why did I decide to do this? I didn't know what I was getting myself into with these. The last ones I did, they weren't this bad. Okay, here we go. Got the second one now. Oh, and it's a blue version of the raptor we already got. Look at that. You can even see the teeth painted. He's not vibing. He's got a cute little color palette on the butt. And yeah, he's built like a chonker. Got a big chungus. Okay. Last one. Let's hope it's a new species. I do not want to get another one of those raptors. Not that I don't like them. They're just a little odd. Let's hope for a Notosaurus. I think those ones are pretty cute. Okay, fingers crossed. Yes, wait, this isn't a Notosaurus. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. He is round. Look at that. Globular. I think this is the Ankylosaurus. They don't have all of them on here. There's like a few more that are not listed. Okay, no, this is the Notosaurus because it's got those little bumps. So this is Brent. Damn, they have names. Lumpy. What? Shelly. Oh, I thought it said Smelly. Parker. Who comes up with these names? Fort. Norm. We got Buddy, Rocky, Bronte, Milo. Isn't that the Brontosaurus from The Good Dinosaur? What do you Larov? What? Is that Russian? Lang? Okay. We got Buzz, Dizzy. That's not even Finn? Quillis, Spike, Titus. It's like a name of some like Greek person. Roxy, Celeste, Becca, Astra, Tara, and Sora. Oh my goodness! Wow. Okay. Oh, Drake. We've got Drake. Oh my God. Drake. We have Drake, guys. We have Drake. That is amazing. Look at Drake. Splitting image. Wait, is this Drake or is this Miles? They're practically the same. Okay. Just gonna ignore that. Sergio, Velos, Hunter, and Bolt. Huh, these are pretty creative names. And I think they come with the names on here. Never mind, they don't. This paper says Terra, and none of these are Pteranodons. Okay, it's a little cursed. They've got a website too. If you guys want to discover more, you can visit their website. Huh. Okay. Well, there we have it. We've got the whole crew. That was a fun adventure. That was enjoyable. It was really splendid. Glad to have shared this experience with you guys. If you like the video and you want to see, I guess, more like it, make sure to subscribe. And yeah, maybe I'll do more unboxings of these cursed little squishy dino mallow things. So yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.